Hey guys, this is Ryan over at Hometown Fitness in Plainfield. Today I want to take a moment to introduce you to our sled and give you some tips and pointers as to how that will be good for your workout. And in regard to benefits of the sled, this is actually one of the few exercises in the gym that is not going to have an eccentric phase, i.e. a downward movement. You're going to be working throughout, so it's actually great for recovery in between your heavier days. Also, it's a low impact, full body exercise, really great for anybody to do. So initially, when going to push the sled, you want to have your feet about hip width apart. I like to start in a stagger stance. Keep your chest nice and tall, your back straight, spine neutral. Then you simply push through the heels and drive the sled forward. And you do not want to break the rigidness of your body. Sure, breathe. And with that demonstration, that was a low impact type. You can obviously go faster, do sprints. You can combine this stretch here in such ways to create circuits by maybe putting a kettlebell and a barbell on one side and throwing in some extra exercises into there. All right, and with that, I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the sled. Come check us out here at Hometown Fitness in Plainfield, right behind the Hardys off of Route 59. And come check out our great SGT room. Also, on Thursday, February 22nd, we are hosting a bench press competition. Come check us out at Hometown Fitness. Thank you again. Have a great day.